This is how to remove downlights. First of all, you bring this side down, one side down, and this is spring holder. So bring down one side, pull. Once one side is out, then you can remove this other side. That's it. It's how to replace a new downlight. Once the new one is in place, you can push one side up, and then push this spring upwards. Once it's inserted, you can push the lamp fitting up. So that's how a downlight is being installed and removed. That's all for today. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.